Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. Let's get started. We are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, so I'm expecting the market to be quite volatile and the spread to be quite high. So most likely I'll be trading in between the time frames of the news. Now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This breaking of this high gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This breaking of the strong low gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. What happened after breaking this strong low? The price retraced back to this level over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction. But the price was not able to break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So now let's move to the weeklies since we have nothing clear into the monthlies now. So this is the weekly chart and we can clearly see the price was following an order flow from here and it was moving into the downward direction. The price mitigated this unmitigated candle which was responsible for the bearish move into the market, and we moved into the downward direction, and currently the price swept this swing of the weeklies which is pushing the market into the upside direction. We are also having liquidity accumulated right here, so I'm anticipating the price to take these liquidity and mitigate this unmitigated candle into the weeklies. So currently what do we have is we are having this unmitigated candle and the price reacted from this unmitigated candle, which I had already told in my previous videos. So now let's move to the dailies. So that unmitigated candle contribute into the dailies into a flip zone. That is, the price was following an order flow at this area from where the market tried to reverse, but it couldn't reverse, rather it flipped the order flow and turned bullish. So I was anticipating the price to react into something here and then move into the upside direction, which actually happened into the market. And this was my invalidation zone. So the price reacted from this zone and moved into the upside direction. So now I'm going to find something over here from where the price can mitigate and then move into the upside direction towards these liquidity accumulated right here. We are also having a liquidity at this zone. So this could also be a reason for the price to move into the upside direction. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So far, if you are liking this video, please consider liking and subscribing this channel. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the liquidity we have accumulated. And what do we have is we were having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and moved into the upside direction, making this a strong zone. But I was not anticipating the price to react from this area. Rather, I was anticipating the price to take this low since it had not broken the high. That was this high. So the price reacted from this high and moved into the downward direction, making this low as a weak low, but it had taken the liquidity since the price held it and moved into the upside direction. So what do we have now is this area over here. So I'm not anticipating the price to currently directly move into this area, but most likely this is also a liquidity for me and the price can be really volatile today. So I'll be checking the smaller time frames if we are going to mitigate this area or not. But currently I'll be just working on the session's liquidity. So I'll be directly moving to 30 minutes. So this is the Asia session and we are most likely going to go higher. Currently what do we have is we are having this 1 hour. Let's move to the 1 hour. We are having this 1 hour order flow being maintained by the market. So if we are going to move into the upside direction, most likely we are going to balance this price action and then move into the upside direction. Since the price had taken a huge leap into the market, I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and at least mitigate this area over here. That is the flip zone of the higher time frames. So let's move to the 30 minutes again. So here we are into the Asia session. So I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia sessions high and then move into the downward direction, balance this price and then move into the upside direction. So I am bearish into the market today till this price action is being balanced by the market. So this is pretty much it. Do consider liking and subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching.